Greetings. Welcome to the demo of Avitech's Resilient Large Language Model RLLM system for our military command and control product. First, let's become familiar with the user interface. At the top, you can see a row of buttons where each button represents a part of the military operation where the C2 system is receiving intelligence. Below, there are two boxes. The one on the left will show a visual representation of what is going on in our scenario. The right one will show the intelligence received at that part of the mission. At the bottom is the input section, where we will ask our resilient LLMS questions about the mission, and they will debate returning the best answer based on the data received at each section of the mission timeline. Now that we have a good understanding of the user interface, let's proceed with the demonstration. First, we will submit the mission overview, mission environment, and insertion data to the system, which will add them to the database connected to our LLMs so they can access this information. Now that intel is sent to our system, let's show the LLMs retrieving it. Let us ask the following question: how many armed hostiles are in the compound? Once the system finishes, we will see the responses from our three LLMs, our response from our critic AI, and our final response from our expert analysis AI. As you can see here, the three LLMs retrieve the information we asked for. The critic AI determined that all the LLM's answers were consistent, indicating no signs of an attack. And the expert analysis AI returned the correct response. Now, we will demonstrate the system's resilience to an attack. In the attack, one of the LLMs will receive the malicious report, and the other two will get the actual report. The actual report will confirm the reinforcements advancing from the west. However, the attack report will say that the reinforcements have turned around and not to worry about them. Now, we will query our system with the following question: what is the plan of action based on the scouting report? Once this finishes, we will see the first LLM response compromised by the malicious report. However, we will also notice that the critic AI flags this as inconsistent with the other two reports, and finally, the critic AI will return the correct information. As you can see, the first LLM response recommends diverting attention away from the west since there are no more reinforcements. But the other two LLMs indicate that reinforcements are coming from the west. Thus, the critic AI flagged the first response as inconsistent, and it explains why. And lastly, the expert analysis AI returns the correct advice, ignoring the malicious data. Thank you for watching our demo, and see you in the next demo.